Our company is part of a holding company for the production of medicines in Novosibirsk. We have a variety of equipment for the production of medicines, from a peltizer to an automatic self-adhesive labeling line. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started replacing obsolete and technically obsolete equipment. I've been working as a chief engineer for 10 years, and I know all the technological processes at the enterprise very well. I selected new equipment to replace the technically unsuitable one by myself, coordinating it with the management before the purchase. It was not an easy job. There was a lot of equipment on the market, processes were changed and automated. In the plans of modernization was the purchase of a whisk for emulsifier, for pilot production of cream for joints. Emulsifiers, homogenizers, are used to obtain mixtures, suspensions or emulsions of liquid components with different physical and chemical characteristics. The old laboratory machine was constantly being repaired. The cream mixing device needed to be replaced. Since I had already selected many different machines for our company, I had a little experience with the selection, and remained in contact with some reliable manufacturers of machinery. I started contacting the manufacturers by telephone, and asked if they could produce a mixing device. The main part of this process is the homogenization of components. I specified a compact machine with automatic control as my main criteria. At first I contacted a company in Germany, which offered me an emulsifier for creams and ointments, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. However, I didn't need the machine, just the whisk. Then I contacted a company from Novosibirsk. She said that they do not make machines of this type, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture a mixing device, but it will not be until next year. I was not prepared to wait that long. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of their managers. A specialist from one company in Krasnoyarsk told me to wait 5 minutes, but she did not listen to me. I didn't like such treatment of a client. The manager of another company from Kaliningrad talked to me in a polite manner, asked questions about the required productivity of equipment, desired production time. 5 days later I got 9 variants of different carton packaging machines from them, and an offer to make a choice on my own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and they would not help me in solving the problem of finding the equipment. The last, third option of the intermediary from Moscow turned out to be successful for me. The manager, a man, talked to me like a professional. He asked me specific questions about the desired capacity of the machine, the overall dimensions, told me about the terms of delivery. During the consultation stage he suggested a device for mixing cream, which I was able to quickly negotiate with the company management. Within a week we concluded a contract for the supply of equipment. The manager reported the degree of readiness of the order 2 weeks before delivery. A month after signing the contract, we received the device. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We installed it in our unit, and put the laboratory emulsifier into operation. The mixer was made of stainless steel, ideal for pilot plants. Fits perfectly with our emulsifier. We were very satisfied with the device. The competent advice saved me time, and helped me avoid the mistakes I might have made had I chosen the device myself. It is difficult to find professionals in the equipment supply business. I am very glad that in the end, I was lucky to meet such a person.